Good morning students. Today we will start a new chapter 5 division. So let's first see what is division means. Okay, division means sharing equally. Suppose students I have 8 biscuits and I am sharing it to 4 people. That means I am dividing it by 4. Okay, symbol of division is this. Okay, it means divided by. It is called divided by. For example, 10 divided by 5. Okay, so this sign means divided by. 10 divided by 5. Let's divide 10 by 5. What we will get? So 10 divided by 5. So we will see students which number is coming, which number is coming in 5 tables. 10 or less than 10. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So we need to subtract 10 from 10. So it will give us 0. So students, when we divide 10 by 5, it gives us 2. Okay, so 10 by 5 gives us 2. So 10 here it is called dividend. 5 is called here divisor or divider, you can say, and 2 is called quotient. It is pronounced, its pronunciation is nocent. It means how many times, and this is called remainder, means how much is remaining. Here you can see that dividend means which is get divided. Suppose students, you have big company and you have invited, suppose you have big company and you had invited 10 people to invest in your company, and after receiving profit, what will you do? You will divide that profit among those who have invested in your company. So that money that you will invest is called dividend. Okay, divisor means which is dividing. Suppose you have road. Okay, suppose you have road, and this is called divider or divisor, means something is dividing this big road. Okay, something is dividing this big road, that is divider. So divider is something which is dividing. And 2 is nocent. Nocent means how many times. Nocent, okay, means how many times. You can see that no, if you reverse this, if you reverse this to wo, means how, and cent means many times, how many times. Here you can see it is 2 times. Okay, here it is 2 times, so it is quotient. It is dividend. 10 is dividend and 5 is divisor. Okay, and 0 means remainder, means how many is remaining. So let's go to next slide. Now students, in next question number 1, we have, so students, in question number 1 we have to write true or false for each of these statements. First we have to see it is correct or not. First is, in 37 divided by 5, the dividend is 37 and divisor is 5. Yes, the big number which gets divided is called dividend, and the small number which is dividing is called divisor. So we will write, yes, it is true. Okay, you are just write true. Second question, we can verify the result. We can verify the result of the division statement by using the rule dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Yes student, it is also true, because when you will divide 37 by 5, it will give you 2 remainder, okay, and 7 will be quotient, 5 will be divisor, okay, divisor it is dividend, okay. So what we have to get, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So let's multiply divisor by quotient. So divisor here is divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. So what is divisor here? Divisor is 5 multiplied by 7 is quotient plus remainder is 2. So 5 into 7 will give you 35 plus 2 is equal to 37, which means dividend, okay. So students, this is true. Now let's go to next question. Question number 2 says solve the following division problem to calculate the quotient and remainder. We have to find out quotient and remainder. How will you find out? When you will divide, and we have to verify the result also. So let's divide 72 by 9. And we have to divide it by 9. So we have to find out the number in 9's table which is equal to 72 or less than 72. So students, 9 8 times gives you 72. So when you subtract 72 from 72, it will give you 0. 0 is here remainder, and 8 here is quotient, okay, means how many times? 72 is 8 times of 9. So students, quotient we have found out quotient is here 8 and remainder here is 0, because 72 completely gets divided by 9. Now we have to do the verification. So how will you verify? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So let's do that. Divisor here is 9, quotient here is 8, plus remainder here is 0. So 9 into 8 will give you 72 plus 0 is equal to 72. So yes student, dividend here is 72. So you can check that by using this formula. You can check that you had divided correctly or not. So let's move to next question, second B. Question second B is 65 divided by 4. So let's divide 65 by 4. So it first we'll select first digit, okay, 6, we'll select 6. So 6 comes in 4 times. How many times? 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So 8 is large number than 6, so we'll select 4, okay. It comes 1 times of 4. So now we need to subtract 4 from 6. It will give you 2. Now place 5 here. Now 4 6 are 24, and 4 7s are 28. So students, 6 times is less than 25 and 7 times is more than 25. So we will select less than 25, that is 6 times. So 24, let's subtract this from 25, it will give you 1. So students, 1 here is remainder, means it ये बच रहा है, remain हो रहा है. Quotient means how many times, so it is 16 times. So let's write our answer. Quotient is 16 and remainder is here 1. Now we need to verify also. So what is our formula for verification? Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So divisor, who is dividing here? So 4 is dividing. How many times? 16 times. And what was remainder? 1. So 16 into 4 will give you 64 plus 1 is equal to 65. So yes students, our answer is correct. Dividend is equal to 65. It is we are getting dividend is equal to 65, means we have divided correctly. Okay, it is now verified. Now next question, 950 divided by 25. So let's write question. 950 divided by 25. So students, if you don't know table of 25, you can write here 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75 and 25 fours are 100. Now students, 100 is big number, so we will select 75. Okay, now 25 threes are 75, so we need to do subtraction from 95, it will give you 20. Now select 0 here. Now 200 comes in 25 table 8 times, so we have written here 8. Now let's do subtraction, so it will give you 0. Okay, so students, when you do 25 8 times, it will give you 200. Okay, so here remainder is 0 and here quotient is 38. So let's write our answer. Quotient is 38 and remainder is 0. And what was our formula for verification? All those who are watching this video, please write in comment box in YouTube what is the formula for verification. Pause this video and write what is the formula for verification. So formula for verification is dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So from which number we have divided? From 25. How many times? 38. Remainder 0. So students, when you multiply 25 by 38, it will give you 950 and plus 1 means 950. So yes student, we are getting dividend is equal to 950. So we have verified. This is our answer. Now question number second D, question number second E and question number second F, you have to solve. These are your homeworks.